Hey everyone, what's up? Yash the site, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can generate a SEO friendly product description for your e-com store using AI. So there are mainly two ways for it, and I'll be discussing both of it, the pros, cons of both of it, and which one you should use. So let's directly jump into the video. So the first step, this prompt, you can use this prompt to generate product description using ChatGPT or Claude preferably. But Claude is much better in my opinion. Second step, you can use a tool named as tryjournalist.com and generate it by that. I'm going to showcase why I prefer tryjournalist instead of Claude or ChatGPT and why it's a bit better. But hey, this is paid, so if you have got the budget for you to spend on that, let's actually see both of it, right? So I have just added that prompt over here. Now added some description too. Now here's the stuff: title, introduction, features, specs, US problem, solution, care instruction, warranty, support, social proof, stuff like that. Now this is what you get when you put this on in ChatGPT or Claude AI. Now second stuff, tryjournalist.com. This is a tool which mainly generates blog articles, but why I use it to generate kind of product description is because this thing. If you see, you get a really good image. This might not be your product image. No, it's fine. You're not gonna use this. But if you see, we get a really good introduction over here, then overview, key features, price, availability, design, build quality, then sound quality and performance, audio clarity, noise and isolation capability, user reviews, feedback, then compatibility, connectivity, stuff like that. Purchase options, really good table comparing different sort of brand, different price, features, stuff like that. Now here's the final thought, and then FAQ. This is what you don't really get in other stuff. This is more of a review kind of product description. But if you think from a POV of SEO, if you think from a POV of getting more customer, converting that customer, it's better to have a detailed description than that 50 words description, because anyways you're gonna have that table, right? You're gonna have that 50-100 words table that's gonna give people an overview of the product. But if they want to read further, if they want to see whether this is for me or not, they can read this, and hey, this is gonna give them most information available, right? This is why I prefer tryjournalist.com. Now let me showcase you how you can generate product description using tryjournalist, because if you see, you have got SEO article option over here, right? So here you have to put your focus keyword, then title, and now here's the main stuff. In the custom instructions and context description, you have to put that, hey, this is for a product whose name is XYZ whatever, and then you have to put your USP, you have to put all the specs needed and stuff like that. Basically you have to put your name, target price point, target audience, main competition, difference, use case, the technical specification, and stuff like that. Once you have put that, just click on generate article and it will give you a really good product description. That's all you gotta do. Now you can also scale this. For instance, if you're having, let's say, 5,000 products, 1,000 products, 500 products on your website, you use this tool to scale it, right? And this is why I really love it. That was all for today's video. I know it's pretty